welcome to the Style Series, The Shoe Bar, where I'll show you the shoes you need to order up for your closet so you can start leading a more fabulous and chic life. The shoe we're going to take a look at today is a great alternative to the traditional heel. So let's mosey up to the bar and order an ankle boot. The ankle boot is also known as booties, so if you look it up online you may see it under that name as well. It's really the same thing, it just means a smaller boot. This is often a more stylish option than a heel. It is more of a hipper, cooler, slightly younger look. So what you would want to do is try wearing this with outfits that you would traditionally wear only with heels. So let's look at a sample outfit. So you can see this is just a really simple red dress. You could wear it with with black heels actually, or red heels, and it will look perfectly fine. But a more stylish, up-to-date version of this would actually be pairing it with an ankle boot. And this actually looks really fierce if you decide to wear it with tights as well. So it's just a more updated look if you swap in the ankle boot for a heel. And so here is the shoe resource for this video. It is the site Sole Society. Many of you might not have heard of it. It's not a very large site, but they have some really cool options on there. So it's just www.solesociety.com. You want to take a look at what they have. And as usual for this series, I've gone on to the Sole Society website and made some shoe picks, and you can actually see the shoes that I chose, more specifically the ankle boots I chose, by visiting me on Pinterest and looking for the shoe bar board, and you can see all the previous shoes that I've chosen from the previous episodes of this style series. So remember, the ankle boot is a must for your closet to update it. If you love the information in this video, then you will absolutely love style recipe cards. Find out how you can get 20 compliments in 20 days, and there is a money back plus $20 guarantee on that. So go to stylrecipecards.com to check it out. And as usual, thank you so much for listening and have a great day. Bye.